Okay, just to make sure that then, guys, now i-add na natin ang ating garlic. As what I told you, meron siyang garlic. So, lagyan lang natin ng garlic ang lahat ng sides. Yan, guys. Para maging yan, garlicky na siya, guys. Ooh. Yan. Kasi malapit na siyang maluto, guys. So, yan. Lagyan na natin. I-saute na natin ang ating garlic. Okay, yan. Ganyan lang siya ka-simple, guys. Oh. Yan. That's it. That's simple. Meron na siyang amoy garlic. Asa ka pa. That's it. That's simple. Yan. Garlicky. Minty. Then, of course, i-add na natin ang ating i-flip. Flip. Okay. Yan. Flip na natin ang ating chicken ulit para may flavor. Okay. Inaan na natin ang ating heat. Low heat kasi para hindi masunog ang garlic. And then, i-add na natin, guys, ang ating lemon with mint. Okay, let's add the lemon with mint. Ooh, on top, guys. Yan. Para may additional flavor. Ganun lang siya, guys, kasimple. Okay? That's simple. Okay? I-mince nyo yung mint. Then, saka nyo siya i-halo sa inyong lemon juice. Okay? Then, i-add nyo na siya sa inyong chicken. Okay? So, ito, guys. Tikman natin to. Lagyan natin ng mint. Yan. Of course. So, simot lahat. So, i-turn off na natin ang ating heat. Kasi ito na siya, guys. Yan. Yan na siya. Nag-brown na ang ating garlic. All the garlic. Na-infuse na siya sa ating chicken. Okay. Okay, guys. So, yan lang siya, guys. Just simple. That's simple. Very easy. Very easy. 1 minute. 3 ingredients. Okay, let's taste. Very good, guys. Okay. So, that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow for another episode of Impromptu Cooking with Me series. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye.